Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create deals in Zoho CRM on PC. Zoho CRM is a powerful CRM platform that helps businesses manage customers, leads, sales activities and deals in one place. In Zoho CRM, a deal represents a sales opportunity. For example, when a potential customer is interested in buying a product or service and your sales term is working to close the sale, creating a deal helps you track potential revenue, monitor sales progress, organize opportunities with customer, and manage the sales pipeline efficiently. So first open to any of the web browser on your device, and after that on the top there's an address bar. Select to this, type down zoho.com and enter it, and you need to visit to the Zoho CRM website and make sure to log into your account. And once logged in the Zoho CRM dashboard, you need to select to the CRM featured apps here, and over here select to this access Zoho CRM. Over here what you can do is you need to go to the deals. Over here just below the account, select to this deal. Over here what you can do is the deals page will open where you can see the existing deals and a deal creation form will appear. What you can do is now you must fill in the deals details. Some fields are required. Simply type down your deal owner name, deal name, account name, your type, next step, and also select to the description information if you have any, and make sure you fill everything over here and select the company or customer associated with the deal. And after that you can select to the save on the top right corner. And once the deal is created, you can track progress through stages, add tasks and reminders. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.